guys, welcome to my channel. Francella here, and today I'm super excited because I will be unboxing one of the best sneakers ever. So this sneaker is from the Adidas and Kanye West collaboration. It's the Yeezy 350 version 2 Flax. And as you guys already know, there are three types: the ultralight, the Flax, and the Earth. But today I will be featuring in my video the Flax. So take a look at this one. This is the Flax 350 version 2. Now guys, this sneaker was exclusively launched in Asian Pacific, the Middle East, and India, and in Japan only a few collective stores had them. So it was like really super exciting, and I was super excited to actually find these shoes at Stylist in Daikonyama. So I'm gonna unbox it so that you guys can see the color and all the features of the shoe. I'm excited. Here you have it. This is the 350 version 2 sneaker. It is hot. From the Adidas and Kanye West collaboration. It's one of those top class, high quality sneaker, and the midsole is actually made with the highest advanced technology of Boost from Adidas, and also it has like monofilament woven into the upper. So this is one of those top class sneaker. You gotta have one of these. It's actually a slip-on and slip-off type, and it feels really good. Super good. Now I'm gonna talk about the price of this sneaker. It's 30,800 yen, but if you try to get it from resellers or other stores, or even other shops online, it might cost you like double the price. So these sneakers, unfortunately, they sold out in the Japanese market, but maybe you can find them elsewhere, and hopefully you don't have to pay like double the price. So these are the Yeezys. They are super comfy, and they could be like an everyday shoe that you wear for fashion, like from day to night. They are very comfy. Like I said, it has like the most advanced technology from Adidas. This is Yeezy 350 V2 version 2, one of the most exciting top quality high advanced sneaker from the Kanye West Adidas collaboration, and I am so super excited to wear these. Like, I can't wait to put them on. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and smash the bell for notifications so that you can see when I post a video. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.